WPP.
Mr. Chair, ang pinaka-purpose...
Hindi ka naman pwedeng bigyan ng immunity doon. No.
Mr. Chair, ang akin pong paglapit sa simbahan ay for my family security at sa akin po. At saka po purely spiritual advice. Hindi po dun sa talagang, although they offered me a sanctuary na isang safe house, pero hindi po yun ang lapit ko sa kanila. Hindi naman po ganun.
Yes, Senator Pangilinan.
On his testimony, just one quick question. Kasi sa testimony, sa affidavit rather ni Yusek Bernardo, nabanggit niya, I can confirm based on my number 7, page 2, my personal knowledge that in some form or another and on various extents, based on current setup, each and every DPWH official employee from top and down line is buffeted with various avenues of corrupt practices. Tama po, di ba? Nabanggit niyo yan.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos sabi po niyo, this is also true for several top officials of other departments or agencies such as DOF, DENR, DOH, DepEd, DA, DAR, DOTR, PCSO, Philippine Co. Tama po ba yun?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. I mentioned that in my affidavit.
Yes. So, ang tanong ng basic tanong, marami pa ba doon sa mga nabanggit nyong mga ahensya? Incumbent pa rin?
Mr. Chair, may I consult with my counsel?
Yes, you don't have to say the names. I won't ask, because that will have to be subject to of another investigation. But we just want to know, doon sa mga personal knowledge mo, mga nakaupo pa ba itong mga ito? Yes. Because this should also be, the DOJ should also be interested in this. If we are really serious about going after all these crooks.
You're right, Mr. Chair. The department is very much interested in that, and that is the reason why these matters cannot be disclosed right now, because there are ongoing case build-ups.
No, I'm not asking for any name. I'm
Yes.
just asking for a general question. Meron pa bang mga nakaupo?
Yeah, I think
Yes or no?
as far as that question is concerned, it's okay
Yes.
for Mr.
Meron
Bernardo
pa bang
to answer.
nakaupo na opisyal? Yes or no?
Do I have the,
Yes.
the clearance from the...
Just yes or no?
PG?
So that we are made aware.
I think yes po. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Before we leave this topic, nabanggit nyo sa affidavit nyo na si Secretary Bunoan, mentor ninyo, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How long have you known him?
I think kahit po nung ako'y isang assistant district engineer or district engineer po.
But you used to be very, very close, hindi ba?
Nagpapasyal po ako sa kanya noon. Ay siyempre po kami pong mga from the district engineering offices ay kumbaga namamasyal po kami sa mga USEC noon during that time
No,
dahil
hindi yung mga USEC, kay Secretary Bunoan.
doon po USEC po siya
Close,
nung
close kayo. In fact,
Opo.
nag-choke ka noong binanggit mo yung pangalan niya, napansin lang namin yon.
Yes po. Close po ako kay SEC.
And wala kang, this is not a leading question, pero wala akong maisip na motibo para implicate mo siya. Other than, sabihin mo yung totoo, hindi ba?
Yes po. I'm after for the truth po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. So,
Chair, clarification lang. I noticed, Mr. Chair, when Yusek Bernardo tried to confer with his counsel, the counsel approached him, and then before anything else, he also went to PG Padulyon. Why is that, Mr. Chair?
kasi he's already admitted sa WPP and doon sa kanilang existing na rules, under the rules, kailangan bago sumagot, baka maka-apekto sa kanyang pagka-admit, kailangan talaga may clearance sa DOJ. Thank you.
Medyo magulo yun, Mr. Chair, kasi...
Medyo magulo nga rin, pero yun ang kanilang...
Bakit kinakailangan nyo siyang padalan dito pagkatapos marirestrict din pala? This is an open investigation. Sana walang ganon, kasi nangyari na sa amin yon when the former DOJ was here, habang nag-uusap-usap kami rito, habang nagtatanong-tanong kami, kukunin niya yung isang witness namin o isang resource person dadalhin sa NBI. Pagdating sa NBI, meron ng supplemental affidavit. Naguguluhan kami sa ganung pangyayari. This is supposed to be an independent committee under the legislature. The DOJ is an executive department. I'm not questioning this, no? But parang magulo lang sa amin. So, kaya ko lang na-point out, Mr. Chair.
Question sa DOJ. Under the WPP, law ba itong yung ganyan? Or sa inyo lang?
Confidentiality, yes, Mr. Chair. The matter that pertains in confidentiality of the proceedings as well as the manner by which the witness was evaluated and how he was covered is confidential. That's the reason why it is being invoked by the witness, Mr. Chair, because like I said earlier, it is not because we want to restrict his testimony, but there is a law. The law itself
So
provides
it is the law
yes,
that says so?
yes, and it
So-
provides for penal sanctions,
Okay.
Mr.
So
Chair.
to answer the question of the concern of Secretary or Senator Marcoleta, kailangan yung law pala. No.
Mr. Chair.
That may be one of the suggestions since the committee is investigating this in aid of legislation, if that is considered a restriction in investigations like this, then maybe the law will have to be amended first.
In the meantime, constrained kayo ng batas.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are
Thank you.
constrained by law.
Thank you, PG.
Mr. Chair, kasi yung interpretation niya ang palaging mali eh. Yung confidentiality dyan na pinag-uusapan, sa inyo lang yun, sa witness protection ninyo dyan. Pero pagdating dito, it does not apply. Ikaw lang ang nag-interpret kasi kaya kanina pa tayo nagtatalo eh.
May I respond, Mr. Chair? With all due respect to Senator Marcoleta saying that our interpretation is always wrong, the law itself provides for it, Section 7. And we are not raising this, like I said, simply because we want to constrict the investigation. The law does not make a distinction whether the investigation is going to be done elsewhere or in the Senate or before the House of Representatives. So we are simply citing the law and we are constrained by the law because, as I said, there are penal sanctions.
So if the law does not provide any distinction, bakit nga kailangan ka pang mag-confer sa ano? Bakit kailangan ka pang puntahan? Ikaw na nagsasabi ng walang distinction eh, di ba? So kung nandito siya, let him speak. Na hindi na dapat pupunta pati yung counsel niya. Yun lang, mali na eh. Meron siyang sariling counsel, pagkatapos pupunta pa siya sa'yo. It is an insult to his own personal counsel. Kaya magulo talaga eh. Gusto ko itanong halimbawa kay Yusek Bernardo, in-apply nyo na pala siya sa WPP. Ni-require nyo siya ng restitution, di ba? Sasabihin mo na naman, that's confidential. Kamo na naman.
No, Mr. Chair, I'm not going to say that's
No,
confidential.
earlier, you were talking about confidentiality. You remember the last time? na
Yes, yes,
tinatanong ko?
I did mention that, Mr. Chair. I talked
Oh,
about
why are you
confidentiality. But with respect to the restitution, I think that's a matter of public record already. Because that was already stated by Mr. Bernardo and he was allowed by the Secretary of
Yes,
Justice.
earlier you were not forthright in answering that. Nung tinatanong ko, ang una mong sinabi, that's confidential. Now, nagsasabi ka, it is not confidential. So, paiba-iba ka ng position eh talaga.
Mr.
Hindi tayo magkakasundo.
Mr.
kahit kayo.
Chair, if we
I'm
just...
not asking any questions anymore.
No, I'm just raising the question to the
Thank
chairman,
you,
Mr. Chair.
You cannot do that.
Thank you. Are we done? So, sige, let's move on. Kung walang members na gusto magtanong do sa ating dalawang bagong witnesses, no, in relation to the Diskaya Romualdez issue, then we'll excuse them already.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko sanang magtanong lang sana
sige,
kung
go ahead.
papayag ka.
Of course.
Yung tungkol dun sa Tamarid House sa South Forbes, yung binabanggit mo kanina, di ba? And then you were asking for some